Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub once again. And guys, as you are staying home, so I have brought you a wonderful gift. And this gift is all about your IELTS preparation. Now, I know some of you are quite upset. You are staying home. You don't know what to do. You have run out of your study resources. You don't have enough material. So over here, I have brought a wonderful solution. And this solution is going to help you out with your IELTS preparation. Basically, this is a wonderful magazine, and this magazine has got the articles which are really needed right now, because some of you are dejected, some of you are sad, you are stressful, you don't know what to do. So basically, this magazine is not only going to help you with IELTS preparation, but also it is going to teach you some valuable lifelong lessons. And at times of crisis, now we have the times of crisis. So at times of crisis, we need increased motivation. We need internal motivation. That's what we call intrinsic motivation. So this magazine is going to provide you all that. As far as this magazine is concerned, this is going to help you with academic as well as general training IELTS reading module. And this magazine contains the latest articles, and who knows, one of these articles might appear in your actual IELTS test as well, because actual IELTS reading tests are made from these type of magazines. Now let me just tell you some of the important contents of this magazine, because being a human, you always need a push. So this magazine is going to give you a push internally, and it is going to help you with your IELTS preparation as well. So through this magazine, you can kill two birds with one stone. The contents are leadership in a permanent crisis, then leading in times of trauma, then leading, not managing in crisis. Okay, so these type of things, and then how Chinese companies have responded to coronavirus situation. So these articles are going to be very hot articles for IELTS academic and general training. Once the tests start, they are going to focus these articles. And by the way, for essays also, they might give you some essay that is related to COVID-19. So it's a good idea to read this magazine as you are already home, so you can just read this. Now, as usual, I'm going to give it to you, but there is a price which you have to pay, and the price is 1 like and 1 comment. Comment this video, tell me your need for this magazine, and definitely I'm going to share this with you. And this is just the beginning. Now you might have noticed that I have changed my video making style. You must comment about my new video making style as well, and please suggest me how I can improve my videos, because I want to improve. I believe in Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvement. So if you have any suggestions, if you have any recommendations for me, if you are expert in one of the fields which are related to filmmaking, please comment, or you can comment me personally on my WhatsApp number. That's all, guys. Thank you very, very much. You can get this book from my comment, which is pinned on top below. Download this magazine and read it all. Most definitely, it is going to improve your IELTS reading skills. That's all, guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.